Hi small business owners and individual taxpayers, welcome to the Forward Accounting channel. Today I'm going to talk about the difference between concessional contribution and a non-concessional contribution. What is a concessional super contribution? As the word itself explains, it's a concessional contribution. If, for example, John works on $100,000 salary, John is going to get $11,500 super, which is the 11.5% super guarantee charge from his employer. The cap for 24-25 financial year is $30,000 for concessional contributions. What it means that John can still contribute the difference between 11,500 and 30,000 in the form of a salary sacrifice and can get to that 30,000 cap, but he will only pay 15% contribution tax when the money reaches a super account, because it's being concessionally taxed. That's why it's called a concessional contribution, and the limit is $30,000 for this financial year. Next one is non-concessional contribution. As the word itself again explains, very self-explanatory, that this contribution that John would make would be out of the tax paid money. And that's why when the money reaches the super account, there will be no tax payable on it, because that money has already been taxed in hands of John. He has a choice to make additional contributions on top of the $30,000, which will be considered as non-concessional contributions. And when the contributions are being made, the individual taxpayer needs to be mindful that when they are sending that money into their super, they are using the right code, the BPay code and reference number, so that it is recognized in that fashion by the super company. I hope you found this video useful. And just before I go, the cap for the non-concessional contribution for this year is $120,000. But you need to check that what is the balance of your super currently, and if it is less than $500,000 as at 30th of June 2024, then in this situation, John can still use that limit of $120,000 to make those non-concessional contributions. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, just drop me a message or reach out. Thank you so much for watching.